How you can easily earn commissions with us on TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is revolutionizing the way people earn money, offering a cool new opportunity to turn creativity into profit. With its seamless platform, you can promote our products, engage your audience, and earn a 10% commission on each sale, all while doing what you love. Everyone, not only influencers, are making a lot from this every day. So first of all, you have to sign up for TikTok Shop affiliate account. If you have under 5K followers, you can register on the TikTok Seller Center. Even if you are not a seller itself, this will allow you to access affiliate features and earn commissions. So you just fill out the information and make sure you verify your identity on the app so you can link your TikTok account. If you have 5K followers or more, you just have to apply directly to TikTok Creator Marketplace. Once registered, you will follow these steps to make the most of it. First step is to record your video with the product or products you have. Make sure you get inspired by other creators in this niche and highlight important features of the products. Step 2 is to use TikTok Shop's showcase feature to look for Rock Rose Shop and add the product or products you want to promote. For the step 3, once your video is ready, proceed to the publishing section. Before posting, click Add Link to attach the products from your showcase. This ensures you earn commissions on every sale generated through your video. And for step 4, you can track your video metrics to see what works and create additional videos to showcase more products from Rock Rose or to highlight the same product in different ways. Finally, we have some final tips to help you make the most of this opportunity.